Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Orlando, Florida, in Disney World, in particular Hollywood Studios Disney World, one of the 4 theme parks here. We're going to take a ride on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway today. Now it's about 12 noon, and the line says it's about 45 minutes long, but it looks like it's moving pretty quickly, so hopefully we'll get in there before 45 minutes. The ride is located on Hollywood Boulevard here at Disney's Hollywood Studios and is described on the website as zip away on a zany adventure through a cartoon universe crammed with surprises. And that sounds like fun to me, so let's check it out, shall we? So I'm going to do most of my commentary here at the beginning of the video because obviously as we go through the ride, I'm going to let the ride speak for itself. These little stroller parking lots really cracked me up. Where was I? The Disney World website says the darling duo are taking a leisurely drive to a picnic in their sporty roadster with engineer Goofy's train following merrily along. Plot twist, you get to go too. Climb aboard a runaway railway and embark on a whirlwind ride through a world where the rules of physics don't apply. Prepare for unexpected twists, slapstick gags, and mind-boggling transformations at every turn as Mickey and Minnie try to save the day. There's no telling where this train is heading. This is an adventure for Mickey and Minnie fans of all ages. It's also a first-of-its-kind ride here at Disney. Based on recent award-winning Mickey Mouse cartoon shorts, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is the first ride at any Disney park in the world that stars Mickey Mouse and friends. The cast of characters include Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, Goofy, and Pluto, otherwise known as the Fantastic Five. Speaking of which, this here around these parts is known as the Fantastic Five. They include Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Goofy, and Donald Duck. If you spot one of them in this video, I'm not going to say which one, but if you spot one of them, leave a comment in the comment section below as far as the timestamp where you spotted them, and you'll get a shout out in an upcoming video. Now, obviously you're going to see all 5 of the Fantastic Five on this ride, but that's not what you're looking for. You guys know what to look for. It's a quick flash of one of those Fantastic Five sometime during the video. This ride opened on March 4th, 2020, just in time to be shut down because of the pandemic. There is a second version being built in Disneyland, which was scheduled to open 2022. But it was delayed to 2023 because of COVID construction delays. Disneyland, of course, being in California. Alrighty, I'm going to kill the background music, shut my big mouth, and we're going to check out Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the porch. Hey, Mickey, man!
Sure you take good care of our friends!
What? There was me! What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! Fall! Minnie, let's get that runaway train!
2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm sorry. We're finally there. We have one crazy ride. Love with you by my side. Stars will be on and nothing can stop us
Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. What'd you think of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.